Hello, my lovely children. Today we are going to learn about sound of animals. Let me see now whether you recognize these animals or not. Let's start. Which animal is this?
This is a cow. It moves.
Yes, correct.
This is a dog. It barks. This is a goat. It bleats.
And what are these?
These are birds. They chirp.
Which animal is this?
This is a camel. It grunts.
Good. You must definitely be knowing this.
This is a frog. It croaks.
Yes, very good.
This is a hen. It cackles. This is a horse. It neighs.
And this is the ferocious lion. It roars.
Yes, I know. This is a monkey. It gibbers and chatters.
This is the national animal of our country. Tiger. It growls.
This is a bee. It makes the buzz sound.
This is a pet animal. Cat. It purrs and mews.
This is the beautiful duck. It quacks. This is a parrot. It talks.
This is the national bird of India. It is a peacock. It screams.
This is a mouse. It squeaks.
This is a pigeon. It coos. You must have read about this animal in the Jungle Book. Do you know which animal it is?
Yes, I know. It is a wolf and it howls.
Yes. You get wool from this animal. Which animal is it?
Yes, I know. It is a sheep and it bleats.
Good. This is the largest land animal. This is an elephant. It trumpets.
This is a fly. It hums.
This animal helps in carrying heavy things. Which animal is it?
This is a donkey. It brays.
Correct.
This is a pig. It grunts.
So children, did you enjoy listening to the sounds of animals? Happy learning. Bye.